Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. It's English period. Today is Wednesday, 16th December 2020. And today your English topic is genders. Yes, student, today is Wednesday, W divided NESNES D divided Wednesday. What date is today? 16th. Which month is going? December. And which year is going? 2020. Today our topic is gender. It's revision topic. You already learn genders. Now revise genders with me. Okay, now revise masculine, feminine, men. What is the feminine of men? Woman, men, woman, men, woman, men, woman, men, woman. King. What is the feminine of king? Queen, king, queen, king, queen. Which word is this? Brother. And what is the feminine of brother? Sister, brother, sister. Which word is this? Actor. And what is the feminine of actor? Actress, actor, actress, actor, actress. Which word is this? Prince. And what is the feminine of prince? Princess, prince, princess, prince, princess. Man, woman, king, queen, brother, sister, actor, actress, prince, princess. Man, woman, king, queen, brother, sister, actor, actress, prince, princess. Man, woman, king, queen, brother, sister, actor, actress, prince, princess. Man, woman, WOMAN, man, woman, king, queen, QUEEN, queen. Brother, sister, SISTER, ter, sister. Actor, actress, ACTRESS, actress. Prince, princess, PRINCESS, princess. Man, woman, king, queen. Brother, sister, actor, actress, prince, princess. Okay, I hope you revise. Now learn masculine, feminine with pictures. With picture is this man, and what is the feminine of man? Woman, man, woman. Sir, and what is the feminine of sir? Madam, sir, madam, sir, madam. Brother, and what is the feminine of brother? Sister, brother, sister, brother, sister. Which picture is this? Doctor, and what is the feminine of doctor? Lady doctor, doctor, lady doctor. Father, and what is the feminine of father? Mother, father, mother, father, mother. Which picture is this? Boy, and what is the feminine of boy? Girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. Which picture is this? Grandfather, and what is the feminine of grandfather? Grandmother, grandfather, grandmother. Okay, students, I hope you all learn masculine and feminine. I have planned very interesting activity for you. Here I write masculine. Father, nephew, actor, king, man. And here is feminine are missing. So now we paste feminine of these masculine here. Brother. What is the feminine of brother? Yes, the feminine of brother is sister. Brother, sister, brother, sister. So paste sister here. Brother, sister, brother, sister, brother, sister. Okay, which word is this? Nephew. And what is the feminine of nephew? Woman? The feminine of nephew is woman? No, 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 no. Niece. Yes. The feminine of nephew is niece. Nephew, niece. Nephew, niece. Nephew, niece. So we paste niece here. Nephew, niece. Nephew, niece. Okay, which word is this? Actor. And what is the feminine of actor? Queen? No, 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 no. Its feminine is actress. Actor, actress. Actor, actress. So we paste actress here. Okay, which word is this? King. And what is the feminine of king? Woman or queen? Yes, queen. So we paste queen here. King, queen, king, queen. And which word is this? Man. And what is the feminine of man? Woman. Man, woman. So we paste woman here. Okay, now our masculine and feminine is complete. Brother, sister, nephew, niece, actor, actress, king, queen, man, woman. Brother, sister, nephew, niece, actor, actress, king, queen, man, woman. Okay, I hope you enjoy this activity. Okay, student, open your copies. Firstly, write date, WD word, NES, NES, TAY, Wednesday, comma, 16, DECEM, December, BER, December, comma, 2020, full stop. Topic, genders, it's revision topic. Here write masculine, here write feminine. Write number 1, MAN, man. Firstly, write masculine. Number 2, KING, king. Write number 3, brother, BROTHER, brother. Write number 4, actor, ACTOR, actor. Write number 5, prince, PRINCE, prince. Okay, now write feminine. What is the feminine of man? Woman. WOMAN, man, woman. What is the feminine of king? Queen. QUEEN, queen. What is the feminine of brother? Sister. SISTER, sister. What is the feminine of actor? Actress. ACTRESS, actress. What is the feminine of prince? Princess. PRINCESS, princess. Man, woman, king, queen, brother, sister, actor, actress, prince, princess. Okay, now do work on copies.